Hello guys, good morning. So morning routine pa rin tayo. Ilamos toothbrush, then again drink at least 1 to 2 glasses of warm water. Wag yung coffee. And then walk ka ng 30 minutes. So 3 minutes of fast walk like this. Then 3 minutes of a normal walk. So 5 sets. A total of 30 minutes. So then mas better din guys na makapag-walk ka ng early in the morning kasi nga walang laman yung tiyan natin, and then no choice yung body natin kundi mag-burn ng fats to sustain our walking. Okay din naman yung walking in the afternoon or sa treadmill, pero mas better talaga yung in the morning, yung pagkagising mo. Inom ka ng tubig, then walk ka nang walang laman ng tiyan. Kasi nga, no choice yung body mo, kundi i-burn yung fats. Pero, again guys, effective pa rin yung pag-fat loss mo if naka-calorie deficit ka. So, ibig sabihin, pag ang maintaining calories mo per day is 2.5, tapesan mo lang 200 to 500. Ganun lang. Then, no choice yung katawan mo. Wala siyang ibang kukunin na source of energy kundi yung sa fats na. Kasi nga, kulang yung calories mo. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng calorie deficit guys. Then practicean mo ng walking, then eat healthy foods, strength training, drink a lot of water, then good sleep, then iwas sa stress. So for fat loss journey, PM nyo ako. Bye bye, see you the next walk. Mwah.